spare me some cock, brother? Looked at my watch and it came on 1. So did I. Looked at my watch and it said 2, 3, 4. Time sure flies when you're fucking. Looked at my watch and it was going on 5. Well, the more the merrier. My watch and it was 666. Double cock. Looked at my watch and it was 7 on the head. I haven't had this good a skull in years. My watch and it was 899, the number to call for the sperm overdose hotline. Looked at my watch and it was 10, 11, 12. Michelle. Adele. Rock on, Wolverine, Booiner Brat. Looked at my watch and it was 13 to 14. That's how I like 'em.